Hello, folks. Today I have a awesome free resource for you so that you can create a beautiful free link in bio page for your Instagram profile. So this is an easy and quick way to get a free bio page with all the links that are going to go to your website so that you can start increasing traffic to your website and increasing your SEO ranking as well, because the more traffic you get, the better that ranking is going to be. So to give you an idea, so this is the template, and if you're not familiar with this, this is the page that can show up when you create a link in bio page on Instagram. So Instagram only gives you one website that you can link to, but it doesn't mean that you only have access to send people to one link. That's where these link in bio pages come into play. But if you're not familiar with how to create this page on your website, I've created a template in Canva that you can use to link to this so that you have all the beautiful aspects of the design and the functionality of a website in one. So when you click on the link in the email, you're going to head to this page here, and all you're going to have to do is hit the Use Template button. This is going to open up a copy of the template that you can edit however you see fit. You can change the colors. The photo should obviously be a picture of you or something connected to your business, and you change all the links to direct to your website. So this is totally customizable, and this is your copy, so you can do whatever you want with it. So you can change the pictures pretty easily however you want. You can delete text if it just doesn't fit. You can move things around. But the most important thing is your buttons. So if you need to create more, you can just group them all. You would select them all with your mouse, hit Control or Control C and then Control V on your laptop and duplicate that. You can change the text. So if you want this to say new blog post, okay, you can change the text, but then if you click on it, you'll also see this link button. So if you click the link, you can set this to whatever link you want. So like for me, it would be goodcheerdesign.com/blog. And you would hit enter, and you'll know that works when it's underlined, but you can also hit that underline button to get rid of that just to make it a really pretty link. You can remove these little icons here, add in new ones, however you see fit, but it's important that you have like the good template and the correct sizing here. So you can change all these to whatever links you need. The icons below are also links. So if you click the link, you can change that there and just hit done. These two as well. And again, you can change the colors to whatever you need them to be. When you're finished doing all your edits, what you're going to do is going to go up to Publish Website. So you're going to click on that, and down here in the drop-down menu, you're going to click and choose Scrolling. And that's going to give you the format you need, and just hit Open Website. So this brings us to a link here, but this link, like you can share this wherever you need to on social media, but it's not a very pretty link. It's very ugly, very long, very clunky. So we can do one extra step to make this fully branded with your domain. So this is this extra step is for WordPress users. If you have a WordPress.org website, so it's a fully hosted website that you have full control over. This is different than the .com WordPress platform. That's just for blogging. So you can get this free plugin. So you would just go to your plugin section and search for Pretty Links, and you're going to see this amazing free plugin here. I already have it active, but you would just hit the Install Now button to add that to your website. And when you open it up, you're going to see this menu. I already have one created, so I'm just going to delete this so I can go through the whole process with you. So it might just take a second. Okay, so we're ready to go. So I'm going to hit Add New. Okay, and I'm just going to title this bio link page. This is just internal, so nobody else sees this. This is just so I remember what I'm creating. Now down below here, your target URL is going to be the Canva link URL that we just created. So I'm just going to copy and paste this, and I'm going to add it here in that section. And the pretty link, you have the ability to choose whatever that link is going to be. Okay, it has to be unique. It can't already be used on your website. So I'm just going to go bio link. So if somebody goes to goodcheerdesign.com/bio link, they're going to get essentially redirected to this Canva link, but they see the goodcheerdesign.com/bio link in my Instagram profile. So I'm going to also put a note here for Instagram. This is again internal. It helps me remember what this link is for. So you're going to hit update. It might also say publish, but both will get you the same results that you're looking for. Okay, and once that loads up, you're going to have a pretty link that you can use anywhere you want. So if you go to, I'll show you this now, Good Cheer Design slash bio link. And it's going to redirect you to that beautiful Canva website that we just created. Now, keep in mind that Canva websites don't work in the same way as an actual page designed on your website. It doesn't have the same SEO juice, but it is going to help direct more traffic to your website. So it's a good handoff to get, a beautiful and free template. So once you have that beautiful, pretty link, you can go over to your Instagram profile. You would have to do this step on your mobile device because you can't edit your website on a desktop. But you would just put that beautiful link right here. So remember, if you can't remember the link, just go back to your website. So it would be yourdomain.com, and whatever the ending of that page URL is, that's what you're going to put in your website. So I hope that you found this incredibly useful. I want everyone to be able to utilize their website and their social media accounts as much as they can. If you thought this resource was useful, please let me know. I'd love to hear from you. And if you use this in the wild on Instagram, tag me. I'd love to see it and love to see what you created. Have a great day and happy web designing.